Hello friends, welcome to my channel Health and Beauty Tips. Friends, today I will share with you hibiscus flower toner for skin. How to make hibiscus toner in your home. This is a very simple process. Many people do not know that hibiscus flowers are beneficial for skin and hair. It has some amazing properties that can help you in treating your skin and hair problems. Hibiscus is a rich source of hydroxy acid which can make your skin healthy and beautiful. Let's see how to make hibiscus toner at home. First, I will take 8 to 10 hibiscus flowers with 1 glass of filtered water. Process. When the water is warm, I will boil the flowers in water for 3 minutes, and you will see that the water will turn reddish black. Hibiscus oil is good for skin. Friends, not only does hibiscus oil have amazing moisturizing properties, but it can actually clean the skin, too. It's full of gentle natural acids that help exfoliate and get rid of dead skin cells, and can be used When the water cools down, you can put it in a glass and keep it in the fridge. You can use the toner by cleaning your face in the morning and afternoon. Everyone can use it on dry and oily skin. Okay, friends, you like this remedy? Then let me know by liking and commenting. In this way, I will come up with new remedies. Thank you.